Okay, I'm heading out today to a job. They said the door comes down and stops and goes back up. So I'm gonna go buy this job, check it out, and we'll be getting back on when I'm there. I forgot my little thing I put around my neck so I can put this thing on. So I'll be holding it. But anyway, talk at you. Hello, how are you? That's the door. Is that the one that doesn't work?
Yes.
What's going on with it?
It goes halfway down and then springs back
up. Pretty light. Okay, I'm at this job. I'm just charging $3.49. The door's running rough. So I'm going to give it a door service and see where it goes. It's a small door. I'll go over to it right now. Hang on. Let's see. I'm getting my tools in. And this door here, they got 3 doors here. And I'm going to get up there and try to fix it. 10-4, good buddy. 10-4. I got my ladder. See how light this ladder is? Nice and light. You can flip it around. So this will take me about 10 minutes. I'll be back at you. That literally took me 10 minutes. I just did door service, and now the door works. Little WD-40, little tightening here and there, and I'm done. That literally took me less than 10 minutes. $350. Where can you make that kind of money? Do I get my hands dirty? No dirt. No dirt. There you go. You can do it too. Doors are all closed over there. There it is. Okay, so I'll get back at you as soon as I pull out. People every day, all over the place, thousands of people all right around you are in need of garage door repairs because their car's stuck in the garage and all that, and there's only you that can fix it. Handymen don't work on them. Contractors don't work on them. Nobody works on them but the people that work on garage doors. So you should consider the garage door trade. Learn this trade, go out and start making good money. People are gonna call you and you're gonna make good money every time you go out to a job. It's not some fantasy these people are filling you with. We just had a guy just now, I told him where to market himself for free. He called me that same afternoon and said, I already got 2 calls. So, that's basically what happens. Is you guys think this is a long drawn out process. It's not. You could be getting calls basically the same day, but definitely within weeks you could be getting calls and going out and doing them. You guys should just start doing it. I'm telling you, you guys are sitting around wasting your time wondering. If you're worried about paying the $1,499, you made it real easy for you. You can do it in 2 payments. First payment's $750. You can make that on 1 call, and then the second payment you can make on the second call. And if you get 5 calls a day, you could have your whole course paid for. You got to do a couple service calls, big deal. You get your money back. Then you're at no risk. You've learned the trade. You get to go out and make nothing but profit. If you're interested in really making money, get into the garage door trade. I promise you, you'll be making this kind of money wherever you are in the country, Canada or Australia. We've sold our course in all 3 places. If you're in an area you think would be good for garage doors, hit us up and we will get you trained, teach you the right way, the most common way, teach you all the little tricks. You'll have a mentor. You could call us anytime when you're on jobs. If you forget something, you're not sure of something, you could call us or text us. You're not going to ever get that feature in any business. You're going to get some 800 number that no one's going to answer. Then they're going to call you like 2 weeks later. By then you don't need them. So we're there for you. If you need us, just text us. It's almost like you work for us or we work for you. You basically got a mentor in your back pocket anytime you need them. And that's to do with business, to do with advertising, to do with anything, not just helping you on garage doors. But you're going to know most of the stuff when you go out there by the time you're done. You're forced to learn the way we have our curriculum set up. You're forced to learn. Otherwise, you can't get to the next portion. So take our course. It's only $1,499. Go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Learn this trade. Get it over with. You'll be calling me in 2 months from now. You'll be saying, thank God I took this course. I can't believe all this money I'm making. Anyway, like I said, go to the website. Get signed up. Quit dilly-dallying. It's just wasting time, wasting your life. You could be making money. All these spring changes and stuff people are doing. They're basically doing all of them right now, and you could be doing them. You could be making the money. All right, over and out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.